Hey everyone! Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you're feeling relaxed, maybe drinking tea or coffee?
Yeah, or maybe listening on the bus or while cooking.
Oh yes, I always listen to podcasts while washing dishes. It makes boring work less boring.
Exactly. And today's topic is very special. We are talking about how English changed my life.
Oh, I love this topic. It sounds emotional already.
Yeah, a little emotional, but also practical, real, honest, no fake motivation.
Good. We don't want fake, you can do anything energy.
No, just real life. So let me start with a question. Have you ever understood English but felt scared to speak?
Oh yes, that was me. I understood movies, I understood songs, but when someone said, "Speak English," my brain stopped.
Exactly. Same here. I used to overthink every sentence. Is this grammar correct? Is my pronunciation okay? Will they laugh at me? And because of that, I stayed quiet.
That fear is real. It's not about English, it's about confidence.
Yes, English was not my problem. Fear was my problem. I remember one moment clearly. I was in a café. A foreign customer came to the counter. He asked me something in English. My heart started beating fast.
Oh no.
Yes, I understood his question. It was simple. He just asked, "Do you have Wi-Fi?" But I froze. I said, "Yes, Wi-Fi, yes." And then I stopped.
I can imagine your face.
I was sweating for no reason. That day, I realized something. My English was not perfect, but it was enough. Enough to communicate.
That's important. Enough, not perfect.
Yes, and that small mindset change changed my life. Let me ask our listeners something. Right now, think about this. Do you wait to speak English until you are perfect? If yes, you will wait forever.
Ouch, that's true.
Perfection is slow. Communication is fast. You don't need perfect English. You need brave English.
Brave English, I like that.
Yes. Another moment. I applied for a job. The interview was in English. Before that day, I practiced in front of a mirror. Tell me about yourself. My name is. I am hardworking. I repeated again and again.
Did you feel nervous?
Very nervous. My hands were cold. But during the interview, something amazing happened. The interviewer smiled. He was kind. He did not care about my small mistakes. He cared about my ideas. That day, I learned something big. Most people do not care about your grammar. They care about your message.
That is powerful. So English gave you opportunities?
Yes, opportunities, jobs, friends, confidence. But also something deeper. English helped me connect with the world. Before learning English, my world was small. After learning English, I could watch interviews, read books, listen to podcasts, talk to people from different countries. It felt like opening a window.
Oh, that's beautiful. Opening a window.
Yes. Imagine you are in a room with no windows. It's dark, small. Then suddenly, someone opens a big window. Light comes in. That was English for me. Let's talk about daily life examples. Maybe you're a student. English helps you understand online courses. Maybe you work in an office. English helps you write emails. Maybe you run a small business. English helps you talk to international customers.
Or maybe you just want to travel. Ordering food in another country feels scary, but exciting.
Yes. Imagine you go to a restaurant abroad. The waiter says, "What would you like?" Instead of pointing at the menu, you say, "I'd like a chicken sandwich, please." Simple sentence, big confidence.
That small moment feels like victory.
Exactly. Now let's do a small practice. I will say a situation. You pause the podcast and say the sentence aloud. Ready? Situation 1. You call a company. Say, "Hello, I'm calling about the job advertisement." Good. Situation 2. You meet someone new. Say, nice to meet you. Where are you from? Good job. See, these are simple sentences, but when you say them, you feel stronger.
It's like going to the gym, but for your mouth.
Yes, speaking muscles. Now let's talk about mindset tips. Tip number 1, speak badly. Yes, speak badly.
Wait, what?
Yes, don't wait to speak perfectly. Speak with mistakes. Mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers. When you make a mistake, your brain remembers it.
That's true. I remember my embarrassing mistakes very clearly.
Same. Tip number 2, think in English. Start small. When you wake up, say in your head, I'm tired. I need coffee. Today is busy. Small thoughts, simple words.
Oh, I like that. It feels natural.
Tip number 3, use English in daily life. Change your phone language to English. Watch short videos in English. Read simple posts. Don't study for 5 hours one day and then stop for a week. 5 minutes every day is powerful.
Consistency.
Yes, consistency changes lives. Now, I want to share something honest. Learning English also made me more confident in my own language.
Really? How?
Because I started expressing my thoughts more clearly. English forced me to think simply. Short sentences, clear ideas. That skill helped me everywhere.
So English is not just a language, it's a tool.
Exactly, a tool. Now, let's do a small reflection. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? For money? For travel? For confidence? For YouTube? For study? Take a moment. When your reason is clear, your motivation becomes stronger.
Yes. Without a reason, we stop easily.
Very true. Now let's move to our vocabulary section. I will say the word, then a simple meaning, then an example. Word 1, confidence. Feeling sure about yourself. Example, she speaks with confidence. Word 2, opportunity. A chance to do something. Example, English gave me new opportunities. Word 3, improve. To become better. Example, I want to improve my speaking. Word 4, nervous. Feeling worried or scared. Example, I feel nervous before interviews. Word 5, practice. To do something again and again to get better. Example, practice speaking every day. Word 6, communicate. To share ideas or information. Example, we use English to communicate. Word 7, mistake. Something wrong that you do. Example, it's okay to make mistakes. Word 8, comfortable. Feeling relaxed and not afraid. Example, I feel comfortable speaking English now. Word 9, progress. Slow improvement over time. Example, I see progress in my speaking. Word 10, brave. Not afraid to try. Example, be brave. Speak English. Can we repeat 2 together? Yes, let's repeat. Confidence. Opportunity. Good.
I think our listeners are stronger already.
I think so too. Before we finish, I want to say something simple. English did not change my life in one day. It changed slowly. One sentence, one conversation, one mistake, one brave moment. And maybe today, you are one brave moment away from change.
Ah, that's beautiful.
If you feel shy, it's okay. If you feel slow, it's okay. If you feel behind, it's okay. Just don't stop.
Yes, keep going. Even small steps count.
And remember, you are not alone. We are learning with you. We still make mistakes too,
Oh yes, many mistakes.
but we keep speaking. And that's the secret. Thank you so much for listening to 24/7 Talk English. If this episode helped you, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and comment below. What is your reason for learning English?
Yes, we really want to read your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Bye, everyone.